Hello, brothers, sisters, beautiful friends. Welcome again to another video. Much love. May peace and love and pure self always be with you. So much abundance is manifesting for everyone. So much trueness and so much authenticity and so much consciousness and just the will of the soul is starting to seed in everybody's heart, and it's so beautiful and it's so amazing, and I'm so in love with this experience. Thank you for being a part of it and allowing yourself to dive deep within your heart. Together we are expanding it. Together we are collectively creating a bigger snowball effect. The momentum is rising, the momentum is gaining, and soon, so heaven and earth is already here for those that are already see with their hearts. Heaven on earth is already here for those that are authentic with their conscience, awareness, and not trapped by the ego no more. They can already see clear. They can already go past the duality. And for those that aren't there yet, we are creating that space for them. We are embodying the change that they want to see that they haven't changed yet. And even though it's going to have to be up to them to still change their way of seeing till they actually see the people doing it, we are still doing it. All of us together. The true divine will is here, and it's such an honor, such uh, just an honor and such great humility to be able to be in this physical body as your true heart and not be in your ego, personality, uh, you know, drama and confusion. I want to send out so much love to all of you guys that are just shining your light. So much love to all of you guys holding it down, letting your heart be, letting your spirit just soar in this field of collective consciousness and letting your presence be known. I'm honored. It's such a beautiful time. It's always been a beautiful time. And it is only getting better and better and better for us collectively. So trust the process, trust your heart, trust your your im- your intuition, trust your that gut feeling that you know to pursue what is true, to do what is right, to speak your truth, to observe your mind, to not react so quickly, and to be patient and compassionate with yourself. With yourself, the most important person in your life, yourself. Because if you are able to manifest that for yourself, it will just exuberate to all of us. It will just flow into everybody else's cup. And it's just so amazing to be in this time, living it, thank you, all of you, for continuing to strive, for continuing to push, and, for those that have discovered, you don't have to thrive no more, you don't have to push no more. That was just the process that we had to go through to let go of this conditioning, to be able to see what was already here. And what is already here has always been here, will always be here. It is no end, there's no beginning. Your true spirit, pure awareness, pure true self, your divine conscience, Christ conscience, Buddha nature, whatever you want to call it, within God and the universe, you are in it. Sending out so much love to everyone out there, so much peace, and so much just presence. And may you always remain as your true pure awareness, now, tomorrow, and ever forward. I love you guys. Just sharing some more positive energy. This world, that's all it needs. It just needs more love. And you are doing it, and I am doing it, we are doing it, and we ain't stopping, because there is nothing else better to do. The ego has been exposed. The personal self has been exposed. It has no power over you. It has no control over you. And now is just time to let it be. Let it be. Let it be. And all your wildest dreams will come true, without you having to imagine it or try or anything. It will just flow into it. You will flow into it, and God will take care of everything. Just trust yourself. I love you again. I love you, I love you, I love you. Peace always be with you. Namaste. Until next video. Om.